Well, I presume at this moment that everyone has done so. I'm your host for this session. My name is Vicky Sharma. And today marks the launch of a very interesting new development at Kotak Mahindra Bank. We have two very special people, two very special friends who would be coming here and unveiling the development for us. But before that, I would like everyone to kindly look at the AV right here on the screen.
Just look cheap. We're trying to find the right way to find the perfect
This
gift.
is hardly my area of expertise. I myself is in a fit. I need to pick up a wedding gift for my niece who is getting married next week. I just decide what to pick.
Anyway, we're going to the city, and I hope the city doesn't disappoint.
Even the wiser generation has not been able to help us with gifting. What to do?
On and on and on. But this is all the time one day in every calendar month just to plan out gifts until such.
All right. But if you actually watch the film very closely, one thing is for sure. You identify yourself in it. Not with those characters, but definitely the gifts. You look at certain things back in your house and say, you know what, I didn't deserve this. He knows me for so many years. She knows me for so many years. In fact, I've had an opportunity of looking to my dad's closet and I've seen so many gifts of mine not even opened. So the problem is not only with us. You think the ones who have it all, they have no problems? Well, right here with us is someone who is going to share some situations of his life. He is the superstar of Bollywood. Please welcome Mr. Ajay Devgan.
More difficult when it comes to someone special.
A diamond ring.
You've got it.
That was too easy. How about like something more expensive, like unlimited bookshops all over Bombay?
I'm okay with it.
All over India?
I'm okay with it again.
There's got to be a catch here. There really has to be a catch. What is it?
Why don't you see it yourself?
That's really big, actually.
It's a best compliments card from Kotak Mahindra Bank. So you can buy whatever you want and from wherever you want.
At this very moment, I would like to call upon on stage Mr. Deepak Gupta, who's our Executive Director, to thank Kajal and Ajay for being here with us this afternoon and launching the best compliments of Kotak Mahindra Bank. Well, that's a perfect gift for you, Kajal. But definitely the best compliments from Kotak Mahindra Bank. And Ajay, what a well-deserving gift you've given. There is a lot more going to happen. But thank you, Ajay, and thank you, Kajal, for being here with us and launching the best compliments from Kotak Mahindra Bank. I heard Kajal talk about something, and that was, she was asking the value of it. How much could she blow up on this card? What is her gift limit? But right now, on stage, I would like to call upon Mr. KVS Manyan, who is the head retail liabilities of Kotak Mahindra Bank. Can we have you on stage, sir? What a great card this is. First of all, best compliments, Kotak Mahindra Bank. And one thing that Kajal really wanted to know was, what is the limit? How much can you have on it?
You can load any amount from 500 rupees in multiples of 500.
If I was in Delhi or I was in Chennai, can I gift this to my cousins or can I gift it to someone I like?
Yeah, this card can be used at all merchant establishments which
Just go swipe it at any place. That's just like a Visa card.
works exactly like a debit card or a credit card. Just go and swipe it at the POS counter that you have in the shops and it works.
Well, you know what? My queries are over, but I'm so sure my friends sitting right here in the audience would like to ask you some questions. Are we okay with this?
Yeah, fine.
All right. Anyone? Mr. Manyan, thank you so much for enlightening us with the best compliments card from Kotak Mahindra Bank. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Well, so there you have it, friends. Finally, a gift that shop picks up restaurants and books movie tickets. What more could you ask for giving as a perfect gift? That's the best compliments from Kotak Mahindra Bank. And at this moment, I would just say that it's time to break in for lunch. Let's enjoy ourselves and have a nice day. Your host for this event, Vicky Sharma.